Welcome to this video about textbook evaluation. We start with some definitions. First, the textbook. It's a book used for teaching purposes, especially in schools and colleges. Secondly, textbook evaluation. It's an activity in applied linguistics about analyzing and choosing suitable materials for learners. What are purposes of textbook evaluation? They are to identify pros and cons in textbook already in use or to adopt a new textbook, especially if the current one is not good enough. Now, what are the types of textbook evaluation? There are three. The first one is the pre-use evaluation. Here, the evaluator predicts the textbook's potential before its use by describing its contents, including level, purposes, topics, exercises, etc., and judging using a checklist. We'll see a famous checklist example later. The second type is the in-use evaluation. It takes place during its use, the textbook, in classrooms by collecting data from teachers and students. And the last type is a post-use evaluation, which takes place after its use to see whether it needs to be changed in the future or not. Now to the criteria of textbook evaluation. There are four, and the first criterion is that the textbook matches the objectives of the program. It considers students' learning purposes, it considers students' needs, and it has a clear supportive role. Finally, let's talk about a famous checklist used by evaluators called Gunninsworth Checklist. It contains 8 categories with different questions that evaluators should consider. The categories are aims and approaches, design and organization, language content, language skills, topics, methodology, teacher's book, and practical consideration. The first 5 categories are more important, so I advise you to pause the video, check some questions from the list to get a general idea. Stay safe and I see you in another video.